So good morning students, good morning to all. In the last class we have completed it with the first problem of a ledger. Yes or no? So I hope that everyone is clear with the first problem, how to pass to on a ledger. Yes or no? So ledger ಹೆಂಗ್ post ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. We have completed with one problem. Yes or no? With a simple problem we have to and we have completed that one. Okay, so in today's class we have taken one more problem to post into lecture. Yes sir. So we will not prepare a journal for this one. Journal prepare ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Directly we will be posting into a lecture. Lecture ಗೆ post ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Direct we will post into a lecture. So the problem says that post into a lecture. Yes sir. So we have like don't want to pass into a lecture. Sorry, journal pass ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so like before it was in the first problem. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಸಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೌ ಟು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅನ್ ಲೆಜರ್. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅನ್ ಲೆಜರ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಮೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ rupees 1 lakh, purchased goods rupees 20,000 on 3rd April. On 5th April again purchased goods from Ram. Okay, on 7th April purchased goods from Lakshman for cash. Yes or no? And 9th April 2018 it's good sold goods. Okay, and 11th April it is sold goods to Miss Aishwarya, and next 14th April it is goods sold to Miss Karina for cash. Okay, and 18th April 2018 commission receipt, and 20th April it is cash paid into bank, and 25th April it is interest received from Ranga, and 30th April it is rent paid. Yes sir. So this is the problem which we have to post into a ledger. Okay, ledger ge post ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so first what is the journal entry that commenced business by investing rupees 1 lakh? Okay, usually we will go with a serial wise ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so journal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ journal ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ cash to capital. Yes or no? So first we will go with serial wise of journals. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ we will classify the accounts into different heads. Okay, ನಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ journal ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ commenced business by investing rupees 1 lakh. So what is the journal for that one? ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದ್ರ journal? Cash account debit to capital account. Yes sir, cash account debit to capital account. So which account we have to open now first? ಯಾವ account open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first?
Cash account.
Yes sir, we have to open a cash account. Always you have to go according to the serial wise. Yes sir, 1st April 2018 ಏನಂದ್ರೆ commenced business by investing rupees 1 lakh. Yes sir, so ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರ journal ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ cash to capital. So first we have to open a cash account. Okay, so everyone would be format of cash account. Cash account ಎಲ್ಲರೂ format ಹಾಕಿ, and also please on your videos. Video on ಮಾಡಿ. Everyone on your videos. I wanted to know how you people are posting into ledger. Okay. Everyone start with the format of cash account. Cash account format having. Everyone put the format of cash account. Cash account format ಹಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ fast. Okay. Okay. So I hope so everyone put the format of cash account. Cash account format ಹಾಕಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Someone purchase account ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಂಗಿದಲ್ರಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ್. Now you are in purchase account too. Purchase account ಬರ್ತೀರೇನ್ರಿ? Right, cash account now. Pooja on your video. Elaling, Allama Prabhu, Mahesh, Priya. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಪವನ್, ಅಭಿಲಾಷ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ರಿ? ಸಾಗರ್, why you have not on your video? On your video? Video on ಮಾಡಿ. Elaling on your video. Okay. So the first journal what it will come? Cash account data to capital account. So cash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ side ಬರ್ತದೆ? Which side the cash is coming?
ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
Debit side. So that is a cash related information. That is the first journal. First journal ನಾಗ cash information ಇದ್ರಿ, cash to capital. So cash account open ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we have to enter that cash related information here. Yes or no? Cash related information ನಾನು cash account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. So cash to capital. So cash is on the debit side. I have to record on the debit side only with what entry? With what entry I should record, Abhishek?
ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್.
To capital. Yes or no? Cash account data to capital. Yes or no? So this was your journal of the first transaction. So cash account ಅಲ್ಲಿ cash related information ನಾನು record ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. So cash related information first journal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. So cash ಬಂದು debit side ಇದೆ, debit side record ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ. But not as a cash account. I have to record with an opposite entry, that is an to capital account. To capital account. Date ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕ? First
ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1st.
2018. Amount
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay. Next ಏನಂದ್ರೆ? Purchased goods. Yes sir. Purchased goods. So what might be the journal entry for this one? Purchased goods.
Purchase account data to cash account.
Purchase account data to cash account. So cash related information ಈ transaction ನಾಗ ಬಂದದ ಇಲ್ರಿ? Purchase
Yes,
account
ma'am.
to purchase account data to cash account. So cash related information we have in the second transaction also. So cash account open ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ cash related transaction I have to record. Yes or no? So cash account ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ side ಬಂದದ್ರಿ?
ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
Credit
Credit.
side. Yes sir. So then where I should record? Whether I have to record on the debit side or a credit side?
ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್.
Credit side. Deepak, I have to record on the credit side with what entry I have to record? ಯಾವ entry record ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಬೈ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್.
By purchase account.
By purchase. By purchase account. So on which date it was? ಯಾವ date ಗೆ ಇತ್ತು? Amount? What is the amount? What is the amount?
20,000.
20,000.
You people have not had the breakfast what? Huh? Tell me what is the next? What is the next?
Purchased goods from Ram, 10,000.
Purchased goods from Ram. Yes or no? Mahesh, what is the journal entry for this one? Purchased goods from Ram. ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ journal entry? Deepak, can you tell me what is the journal entry for purchased goods from Ram? ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ journal entry ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Pawan, can you tell me? What is the journal entry for the purchased goods from Ram? Whether we have that cash information in this transaction or not. Cash information.
No, ma'am.
Purchase account data to Ram account.
Purchase account data to Ram
Ram
account.
account.
Yes or no? Purchase account data to Ram account. Whether we have the cash related information in this transaction.
No.
No.
So this transaction means we don't have any cash information in this transaction, so this transaction will not appear here. Yes or no? Cash account ಅಲ್ಲಿ cash related information record ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ cash related information ಇಲ್ಲ third transaction. So it will not come in the cash account. Next ಏನಂದ್ರೆ purchased goods from Lakshman for cash. Yes or no? So what is the journal entry for this one? Purchased goods from Lakshman for cash.
Purchase goods debit to cash account.
Purchase account debit to cash account. Purchase account debit to cash account. Yes or no? Purchased goods from Lakshman for cash. Yes or no? We have paid the cash to Lakshman. Lakshmaniಗೆ purchase Lakshmaniಂದ goods ನ purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Lakshmanಗೆ immediate cash pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So Nandan ಮತ್ತು Lakshman ನಡುವಿನ transaction has been completed. Yes sir. I have purchased the goods from Lakshman and I have paid the cash immediately. Yes sir. So the transaction between me and Lakshman has been completed. So only I have taken the cash account. So ಈ record ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ record ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದ್ರಿ. I can record this transaction in the cash account.
Yes, madam.
So cash is coming on the side.
Credit side.
So credit side. So I have to record on the credit side with what entry?
By purchase account.
By purchase account. Amount. What is the amount?
10,000.
10,000. On which day?
Madam, 500 on 7/4/18.
5,000 ma'am.
5,000 or 500?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ರಿ 500 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ ಅದು ಮುಂದ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
That is actually 5,000.
Okay, ma'am.
It is 5,000. If the image is not clear, take it is on a 5,000. Okay. Date is 7th April. No? Okay. So next ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
Sold goods rupees 8,000.
rupees 8,000. So what is the journal entry for this one?
Cash account debit to sales account.
Cash account data to
Sales account.
so I have the cash related information in this one. Yes or no? Cash related information other. So cash related information ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I can record this transaction here. Yes or no? So cash ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ side other?
Debit side.
Debit side. Yes or no? I have to record on the debit side only with what?
To sales account.
With what entry I should record, guys?
To sales account.
Answers others also, no? Others also answer for the questions. Why? You're not getting what? Yeah, please. Deepak Kanal, why people are not opening your mouths? Huh? No, yeah, please, why ತೆಗಿತಿಲ್ಲ? Vaishnavi, Shraddha, Sanju, Ravi Kiran, why you people are not answering for the questions? Whether it is getting clear or not for you people? Clear ಆಗತ್ತದಿಲ್ರಿ? You people are facing any problem regarding to an explanation? Understand ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Why are people will be asking? ನಾ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾಳ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ನೇನು ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ here in this transaction cash is on the debit side. I have to record on the debit side, but with an opposite entry, that is to sales. What is the amount? What is the amount, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, what is the amount? Please unmute yourself. Heading. Vaishnavi, I'm asking you only. What is the amount? Hmm? Again, she have messaged me. Okay. So date head, ಏನ್ date ಅದರಿ? Answers others. ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ date ಅದು?
9th April.
9th April.
9th April. Okay, 9th April. Next is sold goods to Miss Aishwarya. Yes or no? So what may be the journal entry for this one?
Aishwarya account debit to
Account
sales
debit
account.
to sales account.
Aishwarya account debit to sales account.
Sales account.
Aishwarya account to sales account. ಈ transaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is no information upon a cash. Yes or no? Cash information ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇಲ್ರಿ. So this transaction will not come in the cash account. Yes or no? So Aishwarya is a receiver of the goods. Yes or no? And goods are going out of the business. So this transaction will not come in the cash account because we are not having the cash related information in this transaction. What is the next? Next ಏನದರಿ?
Goods sold to Miss Karina for cash 25,000.
Okay. Goods sold to Miss Karina for cash rupees 25,000. What is the journal entry for this one?
Cash account debit to sales account.
Okay. Cash account debit to sales account. So in this transaction we have the cash related information. So I have to record here in the cash account. With what entry? Cash ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ opposite entry. What is the opposite entry here? To sales.
Sales account.
To sales account. What is the amount?
25,000.
25. The amount date
14th April.
What is the next? Commission received. What is the journal entry for this one? Pooja, what is the journal entry for this one? Commission received. What is it, Pooja? Commission received. Allama Prabhu, can you answer me? What is the journal entry for the commission received?
Cash account debtor to commission account.
Okay, cash account data to commission.
Received account.
So in this transaction, we have the cash related information. Yes or no? So I can record it in cash account. So in cash, ಯಾವ side ಬಂದದ್ರಿ?
Debtor.
Debit side. Yes or no? So where I should record? Debit side record.
Debit side.
Debit side only. With what entry I have to record?
To commission received account.
Very good. To commission received account. What is the date? Date ಏನದರಿ?
18th
18th
April.
of
18th April. Amount? What is the amount?
200.
200. What is the next? Next another?
Cash paid to the bank.
Cash paid to bank. What is the journal entry for this one? Cash paid to bank.
Bank account debit to cash account.
Bank account is debit to cash account. Yes, sir. Cash paid to bank. So cash has been paid to bank. So bank is a receiver and the cash is going out of the business. So cash related information we have in this transaction. So I should record in the cash account only. So in cash outside of it's on the credit side. Yes, sir. So how to record on the credit side, but with what entry? But with what entry I should record?
By bank account.
By bank account. What is the date?
20th April.
20th April. Amount
5,000.
5,000. Okay, next. What is the next?
Interest received from Ranga.
Interest received from Ranga. Yes, sir. No? So, interest received is our income. Yes, sir. No? So, what is the journal entry for this one, Nikhil?
Ra-
Cash account debtor to
Cash
interest
account
account.
debtor to interest received account.
Cash account debtor to interest received. Yes, sir. No? So, here in this transaction, we have the information of a cash. So, cash account tally, record ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Cash is on which side? Power. Cash ಯಾವ side ಅದರಿ power? Why you people are not answering? If I ask the questions, no. Questions ಕೇಳೋಣ, they are exiting from the this one. Class ಇಂದನೇ exit ಆಗತ್ತಾರೆ. I had the strength of 25, ಈಗ 21 ಅದರಿ. Why I should not ask you the questions at all? Questions ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ ನಾನು. At least questions ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಇಂದ questions ಕೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ. If I ask the questions, no, those people are leaving the class. So bad. Questions ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದೇನ್ರಿ ನಾನು? I don't have that much of rights also to ask you people the questions. ನಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ನ I'm not underestimating you people. Yes or no? ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳೋರೇ ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ರಿ. ಹೇಳೋರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ like when others will tell. Yes or no? ಈಗ ಬರೀ hardly 3 or 4 people will be answering. Usually ಅವ್ರದೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ. Yes or no? So ನನಗೆ okay, I got that. Oh, okay, those people are understanding ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. What about the remaining? If the remaining are not answering, ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we will get in a confused that whether people are getting or not. Yes or no? That is the reason we will be asking the question, not that in order to underestimate you people. Yes or no? Answer ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Yes or no? ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಹಂಗೇನಲ್ರಿ. I'm not calling them those people as personal ಏನ್ ಕರ್ದೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. Yes or no? So here in this account, cash is on the debit side. So debit. I have to record on the debit side only. With what entry I should record?
To interest received account.
Received account.
To interest received account. Interest received account. On which day?
25th April.
25th April. Amount? What is the amount?
500. 500.
500.
500. Okay. What is the last?
Rent paid. Rupees 3,000.
Rent paid. What is the journal entry for this one?
Rent paid debit.
Rent account debtor to cash account.
Rent account debtor to cash account. So
Cash account.
that's on the credit side. So I have to record on the credit side, which was what entry?
By rent account.
By rent account. What is the amount? 3,000. Yes or no? Total and tell me. Total ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Total. Which side is more? ಯಾವ side ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದರಿ? Which side you people are having more?
Debit side.
Debit side. Yes sir. Debit side.
1,33,700.
1 lakh?
1,33,700.
1,33,700. Yes, sir. On the credit side, balancing figure is very
33,000.
33,000.
balancing figure. And on debit side more. Yes or no? In order to make the balance equal, How much I have to?
1,07,000
1,07,000.
by balance brought down. Carried on. Carried on.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅದು 1,07,000 on which date?
3418.
31.
3418.
ಮಂತ್ನಾಗ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಜಾನ್ವರಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಅದಾವು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ನಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ನಾನು? I have to carry forward this balance. Yes or no?
To balance brought down.
Do balance brought down. On which date I have to write that down? ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು?
May 1st.
To balance brought down. So I have said brought down it's for the opening balance and carried down it's for the closing balance. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು. ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಗೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೇ. Is it clear? 1,07,000 or 1,07,000?
1,07,000 ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್.
1,07,000. Is it clear to everyone? It is
Yes.
This 1,07,000. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಶಾಡೋ ಬೀಳತ್ತದ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1,07,000. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Is it
Yes,
clear to
ma'am.
everyone how to write the balancing ಅದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, see balancing you have to write properly. Carry down, brought down, format, cash account, everything it matters. Okay, see format ಹಾಕೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್, ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀರಿ, ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಏನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಅಥವಾ 31 ಆ ಡೇಟಿನ್ ಕೊಡತಾರಿಲ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಏನ್ರಿ?
ಈಗ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಿಲ್ರಿ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಮಂತ್ 30 ಇರತ್ರಿ, 31 ಇರತ್ರಿ.
ಹ್ಮ್,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ 30 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, 25 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಮಂತ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಡೇಟೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. Always you people have to write the carry down at the month end only. Even if they stop the transaction for 15th April ಗೆ transaction stop ಮಾಡಿದ್ರನು, if they stop the transaction at the date of 15th, you have to close the account on the month end only. Okay, clear ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮತ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ 30 ಇರತ್ರಿ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ 31 ಇರತ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಜಾನ್ವರಿದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ 31st. ಸೊ 31st ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ, ಈಗ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 28 ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಮಂತ್ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಆ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Yes sir, in month middle you cannot close the account, you have to close the account at the end of the month only. So month end ಏನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಆ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ you have to carry forward this balance to the next month, opening balance ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Is it clear? Clear,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think? Cash account? Is it clear to everyone? Answer. Clear or not unheld? Is it clear to everyone now? Shall I open another account? What is the next account?
Capital account.
Capital account.
Capital account. Yes or no? Ellaru bardri idina? Everyone have taken this one? Shall I erase? Erase mandri? In order to open the next account. Okay. I'm asking. Erase ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ erase ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ madam ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ erase? You want the clip of this one? Photo ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಾಗ? Or else don't want ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I will stop. Bad ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I will erase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will erase it, see. ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಹ್ಞೂ ಹಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. erase ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಂತನ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದೈತೆ ಅಂತನ್ರಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿ? ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ? What is the next account, students? What is the next account?
Capital account.
Capital account. Everyone knows the format of capital account? Capital account format have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Put the format of capital account. Okay. Capital account. What is the everyone put that format? All format ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ capital account format ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second account, yes or no? Cash to capital. So what is the journal? What was the journal entry for the first transaction? ಏನೈತ್ರಿ?
Cash account debit to capital account.
Cash account debit to capital account. Cash account debit to capital account. Yes or no? We have completed this cash account. Cash account I3 number. Yes or no? We have completed with the cash account. Cash account mugdada. Yes or no? So next was a capital account. So we have opened the capital account now. So capital ಯಾವ side ada? Which side we have the capital?
Credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side. Yes or no? We have the capital on the credit side. Yes or no? So have to record on the credit side.
Credit.
What entry?
By cash account.
Now cash account.
Cash account. On which date?
1st April.
1st April. Amount?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Yes, sir. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಂದವ್ರಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ರಿ? ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir. We don't have any capital related information except this transaction. Yes, sir. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ capital related transaction ಇಲ್ರಿ. Yes, sir. We are not having a capital related transaction in any of the other transactions. Yes, sir. Only once we have. Yes, sir. Only side is it. So we have to close this account. Yes, sir. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ capital related information ಇಲ್ರಿ. Yes, sir. We don't have the capital related information anywhere. Okay. Now we have to balance it. credit side more, yes or no? Credit side balance adari, debit side ಏನು balance ಇಲ್ಲ, yes or no? So we have to close the account, yes or no? By making
The
more
balance carried down.
Sabha, to balance carried down, yes or no? We don't have any other information, yes sir. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು information ಇಲ್ಲ capital related, so we have to close the account, yes or no? Account ನ close ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, yes or no? So in order to close the account, what we have to do? To balance carried down by putting the month and date, yes or no? 31st April 2018. 1 lakh. Okay. And I have to carry forward this balance to the next month on by balance brought down. That is 1 lakh. Is it clear? Capital related information ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ರಿ, yes or no? We don't have any capital related information. Capital related information ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, yes sir. ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. We have closed the account, yes or no? By carry forward this balance to the next month. Okay, clear Ayatri? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the next class, we will prepare some other remaining accounts. That is purchase account, sales account. Okay. Clear now? Still it is clear to everyone? Clear as well? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts for anyone? Okay. Try for solving the remaining accounts. Remaining accounts ಏನದಾವು, try to solve that one. Okay. What Vaishnavi? Any doubts? No doubts in any of this side? Elladru any of the corner? No? If you people want to try, you can try. However, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿನ್ರಿ. Okay, so ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so assignment will be journal with a ledger. That assignment now ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. If you people want to try, you can try for this one. Okay, try ಮಾಡಿ, but try the assignment. Okay, don't try in the notes. Try in the assignment. Assignment book ಅಲ್ಲಿ try ಮಾಡಿ, notes ನ try ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Okay, so ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ with the remaining we will do up. Okay, shall I wind the class? One second, I will take the attendance. Don't go anywhere. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು. Okay. Shall I wind the class? Everyone have
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students. Try to solve that problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.